Hi, I'm Tyler Kemp for GA Precision. Today we're going to be taking a look at the non-typical. This is GAP's hunting type rifle. It's lightweight and also very accurate. It has a somewhat long barrel for wringing out all the velocity you can in the short action Magnum cartridges. Its basic specs: it has a Hunter stock from Bell & Carlson, a Templar short action, and a Bartline 25-inch barrel. Before your scope, it's about 7 pounds with nothing on it. It's 44.5 inches overall length and is guaranteed to shoot half minute of angle. This is one of GAP's most versatile and economical rifles, and before extra options, it's $2,985. We're using Black Hills Gold ammo that was custom loaded for GAP. It's 139 grain Lapua hollow point. We have 3 rounds in this magazine. It's a hunting type rifle. It's got a thin barrel, so we're not going to put 5 rounds through it. It'll heat it up pretty good. But here goes 3 rounds. Pretty good for 35-mile-an-hour winds and a 10-power scope. The non-typical shoots as good as any other GAP rifle, but is set up for a different purpose. Reducing features unneeded in a hunting situation allows the non-typical to be carried over long distances much easier, and is suited more for hunting position shots as opposed to a tactical type rifle. One of the most important features of the non-typical is its inherent ability to reach out further than a short-barreled rifle with a chambering based on a standard case head. This rifle comes in the customer's choice of cartridge, including Winchester Short Magnum and Remington Short Action Ultra Magnums. A Bartline 25-inch barrel comes standard in order to extract maximum velocity from these larger cases. Because this rifle is set up for hunting instead of tactical type usage, a No. 3 contour allows a longer, lightweight barrel. Further weight reduction to the barrel is available with fluting, an optional add-on that costs $155. Twist rate of the barrel is dependent on the caliber and cartridge selection. The non-typical can be threaded for a suppressor or a brake installed. The lighter profile suits itself well to a radial type muzzle brake. A vise is available for $235. The standard stock for a non-typical is a Bell & Carlson Hunter style stock available in tan, black, or green. This stock design allows for easy carry thanks to a lightweight and slim profile. An aluminum bedding block gives stiffness and a solid attachment point to the action, and the lug area is bedded for repeatable accuracy. Inside the stock is a custom-made internal magazine that feeds the WSM and Short Action Ultra Magnum cases perfectly while maintaining a lighter weight than a detachable magazine system. However, if weight is not the absolute goal, a Badger M5 bottom metal and magazine setup can be upgraded to for $225. If you prefer a different stock feel, a Manners 90% carbon fiber stock will reduce weight further for $450 extra, and a Macmillan Hunter's Edge stock will do a similar job for an additional $500. 2 standard sling studs are on the stock for easy bipod or sling attachment, and a decelerator recoil pad mitigates the recoil of this lightweight rifle. GA Precision's custom Templar short action allows the use of a standard Remington 700 stock, but offers enhanced features and accuracy without a huge weight increase. The one-piece bolt with an oversized bolt knob allows for quick and positive cycling of the action, and flutes on the bolt keep it running smooth even in a rough situation. An M16 style extractor pulls cases from the chamber with more authority than a Remington style, and Cerakoting in OD green, black, or tan keeps the metal camouflaged in the field. A side bolt release is standard equipment with the Templar. On top of the action is a custom 15-minute rail that leaves plenty of room for loading and ejection. Rings are not included, although we have a selection to help you make your choice. As with our other rifles, a Remington X-Mark Pro trigger tuned to 2.5 pounds is used. Before sighting options, the non-typical is just over 7 pounds and has 1,000 yard plus capability with short Magnum cases. It is an excellent choice for any hunting, specifically in situations where an accurate longer range shot may be needed. We're going to show you in this shot that although the non-typical offers very good long range performance in a hunting rifle, it doesn't sacrifice any of the short range maneuverability. We have a plate that's smaller than a deer's vital zone at a little bit over 100 yards here, and we're going to put 3 shots on it, and any shots on that would be a very good hit on a game animal. We have a small resetting silhouette out at a little bit over 300 yards now. This wind's blowing about 30-35 mile an hour. We're going to show you that with this stock, it's well suited to position shooting like this. This will be a hunting type situation. We'll try to put 3 rounds on the target down there. This rifle is light, handy, it's got the capability to stretch really far if you need to, and it's still, able to shoot 300 yards like this from a position type shot on a hunting style target. You can't ask for much more than this in a hunting style rifle. We're shooting over 300 yards from a sitting position. We only have a 10 power scope, and as you can see from the group here, it's not much more than a minute of angle, if that. With these calibers that are offered in the non-typical, they're slicker bullets than a .308 case, and they're going faster, so it really performs well at range, as you can see. We have our smallest resetting silhouette at 500 yards. We have a 10 power scope and a 35 mile an hour crosswind, and we're going to show you what you can do with the non-typical in these conditions. Pretty good group. I'm actually going to put one more down there after I adjusted for elevation a little bit. And there's 3 rounds after the first shot, and we got our elevation set in. In this video, we showed you shots at practical ranges, target sizes, and shooting positions that are consistent with the non-typical's general usage. In this particular take, we shot 500 yards on this little resetting target, and after the first shot, which would still be a kill shot on an animal, we shot a 3-shot group that's about a half minute of angle in a 35 mile an hour crosswind. We did this with a hunting scope. With a quick scope swap, you could take this 260 out to 1,000 yards, and in something like a 7mm short magnum, you could go to about 1,500. I hope you enjoyed the video.